Hello everyone. Windows 11 26H2 introduces a new recovery option called Cloud Rebuild, designed to make reinstalling Windows easier when your system has serious problems. Unlike a traditional reset, Cloud Rebuild downloads a fresh Windows image from Microsoft and uses it to rebuild your Windows installation. This can be useful when Windows is corrupted, system files are damaged, or the built-in recovery files are not working properly. To access it, open Settings, go to System, and select Recovery. Under Recovery Options, find Advanced Startup and click Restart Now. Your PC will restart and open the Windows recovery environment. Here, select Troubleshoot and then look for the new Cloud Rebuild option. Select Cloud Rebuild and follow the instructions on the screen. Windows will connect to the internet and download the required Windows files from the cloud. The process can take some time depending on your internet speed. Before starting, make sure your important files are backed up, and keep your computer connected to power. Once the rebuild is complete, Windows will restart and you can go through the initial Windows setup again. So, if your Windows 11 PC is having serious system problems, the new Cloud Rebuild feature in 26H2 provides another convenient way to get a fresh Windows installation directly from the cloud. And that's how you can use the new Cloud Rebuild feature in Windows 11 26H2. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.